I feel like I'm losing.
If you're serious about success, you should read these next 6 books. Books published by others who have achieved what you are aiming for will aid your journey. One of the most beneficial pastimes is reading, especially for business owners who are venturing into niche markets that few others have explored. It's crucial to read in order to expand your thinking, learn from other people's experiences, and support yourself through the inevitable tough moments you'll encounter. These 6 books, some new, some old, but all important, can aid any entrepreneur in finding success. Ed Catmull's book Creativity Incorporated. A must-read for business owners is Creativity Incorporated. Why? It concentrates on developing innovative, forward-thinking teams, which is just what a company needs to be successful. This book by Pixar Animation Studios co-founder Ed Catmull, together with Steve Jobs and John Lasseter, offers a timeless examination of the distinction between mediocrity and brilliance. Catmull emphasizes that although ordinary teams cannot transform brilliant ideas into anything, outstanding teams may convert average ideas into gold. Building your team as an entrepreneur and managing them in a way that encourages creativity and flow might be the difference between failure and success for your business. This is Seth Godin's Marketing. Any entrepreneur will benefit from reading This Is Marketing by Seth Godin because it clarifies the distinction between providing real value to your target market and spammy marketing. Godin has written numerous best-selling marketing books over the years, but for anybody with an entrepreneurial drive, this is by far his greatest. He exhorts marketers to find solutions for their clients, not for their companies. Any savvy businessperson knows that time is wasted if a problem isn't being solved by their enterprise. Your perspective on marketing will shift as a result of Godin's new book. Elaine Pofelt's The $1 Million, One-Person Business. The $1 Million, One-Person Business is ideal for business owners who want to launch a venture but are unsure of how to get started or expand without investing money. Pofelt delves into the subject of how to grow a company to the $1 million sales threshold with just one person at the helm. This book teaches business owners how to achieve success on both a personal and financial level. For many businesses, finding a work-life balance is a major problem that has to be addressed. This book is for you if you want to have a $1 million business while relaxing by a pool in Bali. Eric Rye's book The Lean Startup. For the long-term entrepreneur who has to regularly test their vision as their firm expands, Eric Rye's The Lean Startup is a wonderful book. Rapid scientific experimentation and lean manufacturing are the foundations for the ideas in this book. This book provides you with the tests and tools you need to make real-time business decisions and improvements. Rise explains how to continue making important decisions on the course of your company immediately and in the present. This book is intended for company owners who are creating cutting-edge, long-lasting enterprises. Chris Guillebeau's book, The $100 Startup. After finding 1,500 people who were earning $50,000 or more annually on a business that needed a small investment, often $100 or less, Chris Guillebeau authored The $100 Startup. This simple-to-read book is jam-packed with tips from people who have succeeded in establishing a business after bootstrapping its launch and genuine tales. For the typical individual with an idea and a desire to escape or avoid the corporate grind, this book is a go-to resource. Platform, Cynthia Johnson's The Art and Science of Personal Branding. Platform by Cynthia Johnson is a really helpful guide for company owners who want to harness their internal team and personal influence to advance their enterprise. Johnson delves into techniques for developing a compelling personal brand message, taking control of the narrative surrounding your industry's hot themes, and expanding a focused and niche following. The book dissects the acts of personal branding experts and demonstrates how they set themselves apart using language, strategy, and marketing. The entrepreneur who wants or needs to be the face of their business should read this book. Subscribe and not forget to hit the notification so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. I know you have something on your mind. Please share your thought on the comment section and don't forget to like. It will help our channel to grow. Watch the next video, it is more informative. Let's continue.